In this video, I will show you how to block and unblock facing on WhatsApp. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. After you open up your WhatsApp, all you have to do is just go and select the facing that you want to block. So for me, let's say I want to block this person. So tap on the person. So after you open up the person chat, all you have to do, tap on this three dot at the top right side. So tap on this more. Tap on this block. So tap on this block again. So after it finished loading, as you can see now here, it says you block this person. So now if you want to unblock him, all you have to do, just go back and tap on this three dot again. Go to settings, tap on this privacy, scroll to down, tap on this block contact. So as you can see, here is the person that I block. So if I want to unblock him, tap on the person again. So tap on this unblock. That's it, guys. Now the person has disappeared among the list of the people that I block on my WhatsApp. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.